So it's been over half a year since I've made the last garage cleaning video. The first one was in Finnish, but yeah. So basically I have not been cleaning anything here since that video. Only using and collecting more crap there. So I have this table here, but there is one problem. There is the door to get anything inside other than the man door behind the camera. So this table need to go maybe there or there. I don't know yet. But maybe it's easier to clean that corner of wall, because I've been thinking of restoring that cabinet and selling that, or then I put it somewhere else. But maybe there is video coming also for that. So nothing have been happening here with this table. But this is the plan. I need to make this in metal, about this shape. Put that there in the middle. And this goes here. And paint, bolt it on. Maybe some LED strip to the wheel. And glass on top. And that's done. And then that's for sale, probably. Here I have the bolts that go through there, but that's another video. This was for jerry can, but there was some problem. Yeah, that there is breathing hole, but it just poured everything out while you put gas from the cherry where you want to put. So it's not working out like it should. Opel K floor mats. Does anyone need for the wagon? That's just wood dust. And here is rubber mats for X5, F15. Then what are these? Opel Vectra. Mercedes 16-inch wheel project. Machined hills, drilled holes for lips, but these are just too shallow, so they won't last. So I need to machine this somewhere and drill the holes fully so it can be bolted through. I had a vision. I had Mercedes S124 300 TDT, and these were going to that, but I sold the car and these just have been collecting dust under the table. I can't remember that when this table has been this empty. Maybe it was 8 years ago when I made this. And this was my first workbench that I made. This I need to fix because there is so much slack before it starts to open. Now, there it is. 1 centimeter or more before it starts to open the jaws. So I had a little break and was thinking about maybe putting a OSB sheet here